Bioprinting is a cutting-edge technology that helps to create a specialized artificial human tissue to replace it in the human body. And this is very patient-specific technology, and this technology can build really complex structures with the help of bioinks, for example.
Bioprinting is a new discipline in what is called additive manufacturing, that uses biomaterials called bioinks to print on a 3D scale scaffolds mixed with cells. This is where the bio term comes into place now. What we're trying to do with bioprinting is basically to reproduce natural tissues, natural living structures.
Bioprinting is a tremendous technology. It's a form of additive manufacturing which allows users to take cells and a material known as a bioink to create a shape that is of physiological relevance. And it's this control over the geometry as well as the cell positioning that enables users to really capture in vivo environments. And so through the power of bioprinting, you have the ability to create an environment that so closely mimics the natural body that truly, I think it will unlock the future of healthcare.